The starter pack comes with everything you need, and there's no complicated setup. The Z Quiet mouthpieces are soft and flexible with a low profile for the perfect fit. My partner can wear his all night and says it's super comfortable. We were a little skeptical at first, but it worked for us from the first time. A good night's sleep and a happy partner. Z Quiet's mouthpieces have over 800 positive reviews on their website for a reason. If you're looking at an easy and comfortable solution to snoring, give Z Quiet a try. Trust me, it's a game changer.